All right, I'm getting this ready for tomorrow. I wanted to go ahead and show y'all this step too. What I'm doing right now is just mixing the clay in the fish meal. I've already got some fish meal in here, but basically what you're going to do is you've got your clay and you put your fish meal in it. And basically, some people have a ratio. I kind of loosely have a ratio. What you want to do is just you want to mix it to where you can pick it up in your hand and kind of smell it, and it smells pretty strong. It's not quite there yet, so I'm going to add the rest of this. And these are individual packs that I've repackaged. You can buy a 50-pound bag of fish meal for generally around about $1 a pound. If your local feed store doesn't carry it, they can order it for you generally. And you just take it and you just distribute it and mix it around really well. Make sure you get it all mixed together really well. Any kind of clay you can do. If you've got white clay in your area, that works. Just the big thing is you just want to make sure you've got something that's going to bind it together when you put a little bit of moisture to it. And tomorrow morning I will show y'all, I'm going to mix this with a little bit of what's called menhaden milk. And what that is emulsified menhaden oil that just gives it a little bit more smell. A lot of people use it for offshore fishing to chum with and such like that. And then I'll add a little bit of that and a little bit of salt water and mix them up and make bait balls. So we'll see you in the morning. All right, good morning everybody. This is the second part of the bait balls. This is the clay and meal that I mixed up last night. All right, next step I'm gonna do, you've got menhaden milk. What this is emulsified menhaden oil. Shake it up a little bit. You don't need a whole lot, you just need enough to kind of get the smell in there real good. That's probably going to be plenty right there. And you just take it and you mix that up really well. Make sure you get it distributed through it just like you did with the fish meal. Stirred around real good. You got a good smelling mess in there now. Actually, it's not a mess yet, but it's going to be in a minute once you have water. And again, I just like to kind of give it a smell and see how it's smelling. Maybe add a tiny bit more, just to make sure we got it good to go. All good mixed up. All right, next step, you want to kind of go easy on it because you can always add more water, but if you dump a whole bunch of water in there and you got a sloppy mess, then you're going to be in trouble. So you just kind of want to go slow, add some water, and then mix it. See what you need to add. See, here I am telling y'all to be careful what you do, and I've added too much water, so I've got to add some mud to it, some clay to it, to dry it out a little bit. Because you want it to be to where it clumps together really well, but it's not soupy. Because if it's soupy, as soon as it hits the water, it's going to break apart. It's not going to last, and you're going to be kind of chasing your tail, wasting time. See, even that's a little bit too wet. You want it to where it's going to clump together pretty well, but there we go. That's good. All right, now as far as size, people do it different ways. I'm actually trying a little bit something different today. I'm going to try and make them a little bit bigger than I have been. Just make you a good ball. Just push it down into a patty. Kind of form the cracks around. Just like that. That's actually a little bit smaller than I wanted it. Alright. Just make sure you get it packed together really well. Form it into a nice little ball. And just lay it in the sun so it can dry for a few minutes while you make the rest of them. Just keep repeating until you've got however many you want to do. I usually try to do at least 2 per bait or 2 pole. But whatever works for you is what's going to work best. Alright, we'll see you in a little bit.
Now throw. Toss, 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 toss.